Spain. Palma volcano eruption intensifies, swallowing more houses. The volcano, which began erupting in September, has destroyed more than 900 buildings, forcing the evacuation of around 7,000 people. Buildings near the Cumbre Vieja volcano on the Spanish island of La Palma have been engulfed in lava flows, with the drama of the hot eruption compounded by flashes of lightning. The volcano began erupting on September 25 and has destroyed more than 900 buildings and forced the evacuation of around 7,000 people from their homes on the island. La Palma, with a population of around 83,000, is one of the Canary Islands in the Atlantic. On Saturday, magma destroyed at least 4 buildings in the village of Callejon de la Gata, Reuters news agency reported. Flashes of lightning were also seen near the eruption early Saturday. Lava from the volcano had engulfed more than 150 hectares, 370 acres, of agricultural land. It also caused major damage to banana plantations in La Palma, the second largest banana producer in the Canary Islands, where the crop accounts for 50% of the island's economy. Once the black sand sticks to the bananas, it is almost impossible to remove. La Palma Airport has been closed since Thursday because of the ash, Spanish air traffic operator ANA said. On Friday, the eruption's ash cloud disrupted flights on the neighboring island of Tenerife for several hours. Volcanic ash also covered the island's salt flats. When the ash fell, we wanted to collect the salt, but the salt covered the entire surface, forming a crust on top, and we couldn't separate the salt from the ash. It has completely penetrated the grain. It's impossible to separate, Andres Hernandez told Reuters, adding that up to 200 tons of salt had been damaged. The eruption also prevented visitors from visiting the salt factory, which is also one of the island's tourist attractions.